everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
The topic of this video is how to draw trend lines and formations. Now, let's quickly move on to our topic. Here we see the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. Now, I will explain how to draw a trend line. First, I need to identify two lows. I have a ray tool at the top here, and I will use it to draw a trend line. Where could the two bottoms be here? The first one I see is right here. The second bottom I see is right here. One of the major bottoms. There are some here, but these are the two major bottoms. I draw my trend lines using rays from these two lows. As you can see, a trend line has been drawn at this moment. And now I am finding two peaks, our first peak and our second peak. As you can see right now, Bitcoin is continuing within an ascending channel, and the peak you see here, which it tested earlier, is a resistance point, specifically the 58,375 level. Bitcoin seems to have reached that point. Now, trend lines are being drawn this way. And if Bitcoin starts to fall below this trend line, it means that the upward trend is being broken. We immediately understand that Bitcoin's upward trend has stopped and that it has begun a downward trend, and we take our stops and other precautions for the bear season. In daily trading, stops are usually set below the %2 level. As you can see here, we are looking at the chart of Bitcoin, and we can also examine it on a daily basis. On the daily chart, the graphs are a bit narrower. When we draw a line from the top of the right candle to the right side, we can see the price. And now let's talk about a few formations. Here I have my channel tool. I am drawing from the lowest point on the far left to the lowest point on the far right using this channel tool. And here I am drawing a peak. And as you can see here, there is a rectangular formation. This rectangular formation indicates the following to us. The depth of this formation indicates that a rise could occur equal to this depth. Once we break out of the rectangle, as you can see, after breaking the rectangular formation here, there was a rise equal to that rectangle. Another important formation we see here is that there was previously a V formation in Bitcoin. This is one of the important formations. Here, we can see that there was previously a V, and as a result of this formation, we can say that there could be an increase equal to the depth of the formation. As you can see, one of the important formations here is the Adam-Eve formation. Here, Adam appears to be in a V shape, while Eve looks like a bowl shape. As a result of this formation, a rise occurs from the neckline to the support point of Adam and Eve, which is equal to the depth indicated by the blue line here. This depth completes the rising area. This is how trend lines and formations work. See you in our next lesson.